Have you ever wondered why some people seem stuck, no matter how hard they try? It's not because they lack talent or opportunity. It's because of silent habits, small, invisible behaviors that slowly destroy potential without you even realizing it. Let's talk about them. The habit of constant noise. You wake up, check your phone, scroll, and call it catching up. But what you're really doing is drowning in noise. When your mind never sits in silence, it never creates anything new. Every great idea, every life-changing decision was born in silence, not in the chaos of constant notifications. If you can't sit alone with your thoughts, you'll forever be a prisoner to distraction. The habit of emotional comfort. We love to say we're healing, but sometimes healing becomes hiding. You tell yourself you need more time to be ready, when in truth, you're avoiding discomfort. Growth doesn't feel good. It feels like doubt, fear, and rejection. The people who outgrow their past aren't the ones who wait to feel ready. They're the ones who move anyway, shaking, uncertain, but moving. 3. The habit of seeking validation. You post something and instantly check who liked it. You do a good job and wait for praise. But here's the truth. The moment your self-worth depends on others, you hand them the remote control to your emotions. Validation feels nice, until it becomes an addiction. Real confidence begins the day you stop asking the world for permission to feel good about yourself. 4. The habit of endless consumption. Books, podcasts, motivational videos. You absorb everything. But nothing changes because you mistake learning for action. Information without implementation becomes intellectual clutter. You don't need another secret formula. You need to apply the one you already know, consistently. 5. The habit of neglecting stillness. We chase progress, but forget peace. You can't build a powerful life on a restless mind. Sometimes doing nothing, reflecting, resetting, breathing, is the most productive thing you can do. Stillness is not laziness. It's maintenance for your soul. Your potential isn't being destroyed by one big mistake. It's being slowly eaten away by small, silent habits you've accepted as normal. Awareness is the first step. Change begins when you decide to stop living on autopilot and start living on purpose. So take a moment today. Be quiet. Be uncomfortable. Be intentional. Because your potential is waiting. But only if you stop doing the things that silently kill it. If this message hit home, subscribe to The Growth Theory, where we break down the psychology of self-improvement and help you grow into your best self, one mindset shift at a time.